हेलो एवरीवन। मैं प्लसेस की ट्रेनर सुचिता रावत। आज मैं आपको इस वीडियो में प्लसेस के बारे में बताने आई हूँ कि प्लसेस क्या है और प्लसेस किन फील्डों में काम करता है। बट उसको जानने से पहले हम ये समझते हैं कि प्लसेस का मेन पर्पस क्या है और व्हाई यू शुड जॉइन अस। सो चलिए बात करते हैं मेन पर्पस के बारे में। तो पहला पर्पस है those who really want to do something in their life and want correct guidance in their career and the roadmap to achieve their goals. So our institute provide the right guidance and the right opportunity to our student. We give more clarity to our student towards their life path and provide good quality training to our student, and also awareness about the MNC inside. We also give the training to our student in such a manner so that they can face the any type of board interview and can be selected in the first. So चलिए start करते हैं why you should join us. We have industry trainer experts who have more than 11 years of experience. We provide demo classes before taking admissions. We also do mock interview to enhance the personality development of our students. We provide resume preparation guidance and the placement. We do career counseling and help in the communication skills and work on their personality development too. We provide internship and the lifetime job support. Last but not least, we try to teach our students what a company needs in their staff and the hired candidate. So thank you for watching this video.